William James in 1892 wrote, "All our life, so far as it is definite form, but is a mass of habits." Most of the choices we make each day may feel like the products of well-considered decision-making, but they're not. They're habits. And though each habit means relatively little on its own, over time, the meals we order, what we say to our kids at night, how you save, how you spend, how you trade and invest, how often you exercise, and the ways that you organize your thoughts and work routines have enormous impacts on your health, your productivity, your financial security, and obviously on your happiness. Now, why do I start a trading video off with that? Because you right now, as we meet, are the result of all of your trading habits and the outcome that you are experiencing, whether it's profitable or losing, is the result of your trading habits. So if you're not happy with where you are in your trading, you have to change your trading habits in order to get to the next step. Period. Over and out. If you don't agree with the statement that I just made, it's best for you to just stop watching this video right now. If any of what I just said resonates with you at all, or if you're just so frustrated with your trading performance that you're finally ready to at least listen to another thing, then let's move forward. We're going to look at trend trading, keeping the simple simple. I want you to take a look at the disclaimer. Substantial risk of loss in trading. I'm going to go through some examples. I'm going to show you trading strategy. This is for educational purposes only. Don't consider this anything to do with buying or selling any commodities, stocks, and so on. What I do want to talk about, though, is the market. I want you to break it down into simplicity. Markets do three things. Markets go up. We call that a bull continuation pattern. They go sideways. Stuck like Chuck is what you'll hear in the live room. And they go down. That's a bear continuation pattern. We're going to focus on the up and down part, which is about 30 to 35% of the time. We're going to look at trading systems. A trading system is simply a group of specific rules or parameters that determine entry and exit points for a given market. These points, known as signals, are often marked on a chart, and in real time, they prompt the immediate execution of a trade. It's simple. It's a series of if-then rules. We'll also look at 5 keys. Number 1, you got to know what you're looking to capture and which indicators you want to employ. If we're trend traders, we're probably not going to use counter-trend strategies. Number 2, we want to understand the link between what you see on the charts, what it means to you, and what action you take in the market based on that meaning. Key number 3, I'm going to teach you how to focus on the 2 most powerful words in trading, if and then. And I'm going to show you the power of syntax. Key number 4, identify the following, which we call ROE, or rules of engagement. Where do I enter? Where is my protective stop, or we call it ISL for initial stop loss? And how do I take profits? Do I use a static or dynamic profit target? Do I use a swing structure-based protective stop? Do I trail the stop based on the indicator? All right, now let's take a look at what most people struggle with day in and day out. The Spitfire model that you're going to see in the live trading room looks like this. Let's go back here, and you'll see the Spitfire. Now, the Spitfire is a series of indicators. Indicators, some of these are public domain indicators. For example, you'll see right here, this is the Big Mo. This is the Little Mo. At the foundation of these is an HMA, EMA, SMA, TEMA. Does not matter. What's most important is not what indicators are being used, but how they're being put together to create a strategy. You're also going to see the trader trend. This is the culmination of 5 different trading indicators all boiled together. So this is a proprietary indicator. The TLR trigger at the bottom of the chart incorporates MACD and Bollinger Band. The average true range at the very bottom of the chart. Then you'll also see in here what I call the black tip turning point. The black tip turning point indicator right here is a momentum indicator, and this alerts me to every time a market starts to lose its momentum. So clearly, if the market is bullish like it is here and I get a turning point followed by a black tip, typically that will show me about 7 times out of 10 this is a swing high that's approaching. The SOS signal is, again, relative strength indicator, and this shows me that the relative strength of this move has declined. After we have a bull move, we come back here. This sets up a qualified buy signal. And then finally, this guy right here, I call this the fib dots. And this is what you're going to see over the course of the next couple of days in our live trading room. This is the Spitfire trading system in its rules base.